All right, so this is pretty straightforward, y'all. We've gone over the parts of the cell membrane. You just had to match the letter with its structure. So phospholipid bilayer, this is that bilayer, 2 layers of phospholipids. So phospholipid bilayer is A. Integral protein is a protein that goes from the top to the bottom, but it's also the only one that up here that has a protein. So B. So that one's B. Integral protein. So remember we had fatty acid tails and phospholipid or phosphate heads. So fatty acid tails are going to be this F. F is pointing to the tails. G is pointing to the heads. And then this is a glycoprotein. It's a protein with sugars coming off. So carbohydrate, we talked about glucose, glyco. So as far as redoing this on the test, you just have to do a little note card or write a little note sheet to memorize these parts. We've made models, we've colored, we've discussed it. So now you need to show that you know these parts.